Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone? Hello, Aunt Deal joined. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing out there? I was so excited to wake up to get prepared so that I can get on here and give you guys a message. Okay. Um, Lately, what I have been doing is that I've been studying the supernatural with Prophet Jonathan Ferguson. You guys have probably heard of him. Awesome prophet, awesome teacher. So he's been teaching about the supernatural and about angels. Um, and so it's just an awesome experience. So what happened last night is that during my prayer time, as I began to pray in my heavenly language and as I began to pray in warfare tongues, Holy Spirit dropped this on me in conjunction with what has been taught on top of the other precepts that I have learned. It's just really awesome. And so what was dropped is that for every demonic spirit that comes to be assigned to us, God has greater angels on our behalf to counteract. Okay, let's block that person. Thank you. Okay. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So for every demonic agent, God has assigned greater angels to work on our behalf to counteract whatever the devil has planned. But guess what? We have to pray and call upon those angels. Okay? There's just angels sitting around, nothing to do because we haven't charged them. We haven't stepped in position. But anyway, what it reminded me of is that something that we learned in school that said that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. I was like, oh my goodness, which ties into the spirit realm. So what does this have to do with TLC? What does it have to do with product and sale? I'm going to tell you. We're getting ready to embark into a new year. So whatever you want for 2016, you're going to have to do the same. Hello, Ayanka. Hello, how are you? So whatever you want in 2016, I'm good. I'm excited. Whatever you want in 2016, you're going to have to apply that same amount of pressure to break through whatever it is that you want, whether it's relationships, finances, your health, and specific, which I'm getting ready to talk about. So for example, if you want to lose 50 pounds, you're going to have to do 50 pounds of pressure of effort to get to your goal. Okay? Good. I'm glad you're doing good. And so I want to encourage each and every one of you, get the ISOT. Kick off the year with your health. And not only with your health, I want you guys to think about your spiritual health as well. Because if your spiritual health is not on point, I guarantee you that your physical health will follow. Okay? Because our bodies are always working together, and when one is off, it affects the other. So I want to encourage you guys to kick off the year with more spiritual discernment. Guys, once you kicked off the year with more spiritual discernment and to also guarding your health. The ISOT does not have griping like some of the other detox programs out there. It doesn't have you running to the bathroom, about to have an accident. It's not like that. It's a real easy supplement. It is the foundation before taking everything else. Okay? So I encourage you guys, get your kit. Get your starter kit. This is the end of the year. You want your product to be here before the beginning of the year. Okay? So get it this week. Get it started. Get it kicked in. So that's pretty much it. So remember, for every action, there is a opposite and equal reaction. So you have to do that much more to get it in 2016. Okay, I'm over and out. Bye-bye.